Oh, Holy Mother of mine, how are you today? I know you are not fine. Likewise is my reply. I wonder when you will be known on your planet Earth. I am sorry, but I'm so anxious to finally set you free. Free like the pretty daffodils to bloom in springtime. Free like the eagles of the sea, keep flapping their wings to soar high. Free like blue whales that feared by most in the ocean waters of life. My dear mother, so sweet, so gentle and kind. I am not losing hope for all your promises that all my sacrifices will be paid well. I don't need money nor any material things. Enough only I desire to fulfill your holy crusades. I just seek the holy key so I can enter heaven finally. When I'm done with my task, you gave to me.